How to cook Steak Diane. Steak Diane is a classic dish that originated in New York City in the 1930s, known for its elegant flair and flambeing technique. Perfect for impressing guests, it's surprisingly easy to prepare at home. The entire preparation and cooking process for Steak Diane takes less than an hour, typically around 40 minutes, making it a quick, fancy meal option. This recipe serves using 4 beef tenderloin medallions. If cooking for 2, simply adjust the portions to accommodate 2 steaks per person. For the ingredients, you'll need 4 beef tenderloin medallions, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of sliced white button mushrooms, 1 ounce of brandy or cognac, and some butter, lemon juice, olive oil, Worcestershire sauce, and chopped onions or shallots. Begin by tenderizing the meat with a meat mallet to a thickness of ½ inch and trim off any excess fat. Sauté the steaks in butter with a dash of salt and pepper for 2 minutes on each side. After sautéing, cool the steaks in the refrigerator for 5 minutes before starting the sauce. For the sauce, heat olive oil in a skillet, then add Worcestershire sauce, mushrooms, and shallots, cooking for 3 minutes before incorporating lemon juice. Cook the steaks to your desired level of doneness using a meat thermometer. Temperatures range from 125 degrees Fahrenheit for rare to 160 degrees for well done. The highlight of the recipe is flambeing. After adding heavy cream to your pan, introduce brandy or cognac, ignite briefly, then swirl and extinguish the flame. Finish by pouring the creamy, flavorful sauce over the steaks and serving immediately. Garnish options include parsley, green onions, or a mix of black pepper and chives. Personalize your Steak Diane with whatever garnish suits your taste. Steak Diane is low-carb and suitable for keto diets. For a paleo-friendly version, use apple cider vinegar, coconut aminos, and spices instead of the traditional sauce ingredients. With these instructions, cooking Steak Diane should be straightforward and enjoyable, proving that a dish with a luxurious reputation can be simple to make at home.